Welcome Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you in the kitchen with another wonderful video. Now this is a wonderful holiday dessert that you can make for your family, you can make for your friends. It's so simple, it's so easy, and it's so delicious. Now I saw this recipe on YouTube with another fellow YouTuber who made it, and I wanted to bring it to you guys. And she calls it the strawberry cheesecake dump cake. It is so good. Now this is not weight loss, so those of you who are on a weight loss journey or from my other channel, okay, this is not for you. But this is a wonderful holiday idea that I want to share with you. So let me show you exactly how to make this and whip it up really easy. So we're going to start off with the first ingredient. Now what you're going to need is two 21-ounce cans of strawberry pie filling. Okay, now what we're going to do first is you're going to need a look at that, y'all. So good, so good. Now you're going to need a glass dish. Now let me prepare the dish. You're going to need some sort of spray, spray for your dish, so this way it doesn't stick. I'm just going to spray that. Now if you don't have spray, you can always do it the old school way and butter it, okay? So I'm just going to spread this all throughout my pan. Some nice big chunks of strawberries. Oh my gosh. We're going to be using some whipped cream cheese. So if you have the Philadelphia cream cheese, that's good too. You get the whipped one. I have that in the refrigerator, but this one is a bigger one. This is 12 ounces, and the Philadelphia was in an 8-ounce bottle. And what I want to do is, I want more cream cheese. So I'm going to use this whole thing. Now this says whipped, but it does not seem like it's really whipped. Look at that. Looks like regular cream cheese. Look at that. And you're just going to spread that. And you're just going to spread that around. I don't know why this thing said whipped. Maybe I was supposed to mix it around, loosen it up. I don't know. Now I'm going to have the name of the person's channel that I got this recipe from. I watch her channel quite often, and she has a lot of wonderful, delicious recipes on her channel. Wow. Christmas colors. And you can do this with other types of fillings. You can do this with blueberry filling, you know, it will work wonders with that. You can also do it if you want. I don't know how it would taste with apple, but depends on what you like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this on the side, and I'm going to prepare my topping. So now we're going to do the topping. Now what you're going to need is a box of cake mix. You can use vanilla cake mix, you can use, I guess, whatever is your choice, but I'm going to do it with my butter golden cake mix from Duncan Hines. So now I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of my butter. And what I'm going to do is, before adding it in, I'm going to melt it. Okay, so I'm going to melt this in the microwave, and I'll be right back. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, so I'm gonna just whip that up a little bit more, and I'm just gonna add that into my cake mix. Now we're just gonna mix that in. And you're gonna keep mixing it until you don't see like those little flour balls in there. And now what we're going to do is spread it on top of our cream cheese. Just try to spread it around as much as you can. Okay, and now we're going to pop it in the oven at 350 degrees, and we're going to leave it in there for at least 30 minutes. Okay, and our dessert is ready, and all you have to do is scoop out a little bit. Now it's still kind of hot, you get the idea. And just dump it on, and there you have it, you guys. Delicious dessert. And very tasty. Okay? So I want to thank you so much for joining me on this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these wonderful dessert ideas with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out if you're not already a Loyalty Squad member. And check out down below in my eBay store for wonderful tonics and jellies and honeys that's going to help to boost your body up, as well as help you to lose weight, okay? Wonderful herbs and spices in my eBay store. And check out my other channel, Velvet Locks, where you will get healthy videos, weight loss videos, things that's going to help to boost your body up, detox your body, and so much more, okay? So until the next time, you guys, I will see you in the next video.
Hello, Velvet.
Yes?
I need your help.